Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm bringing you an extreme kitchen declutter slash clean with me. My whole refrigerator as well as my kitchen pantry were just overflowing with snacks and just stuff. As you can see, my refrigerator was just overflowing and really needed a good organization. I did go in and also do dishes, wipe down counters, and clean floors. So if you need some extreme cleaning motivation, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell, and let's tackle this mess together. So if you guys are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Belle. I love to bring you guys cleaning motivation videos as well as vegetarian recipes the whole family will love. And if you guys need some extreme motivation videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, because 90% of my viewers are not actually subscribed to my channel. So if you want to help me grow my channel and just stick around and join my YouTube tribe, make sure you hit that button. But anyway, we're going to be starting with the dishes. I'm going to be putting away all of the clean dishes to make room for all the dirty ones. There wasn't that many in the sink, but the sink really needed a good wipe down. I got chocolate banana smoothie all over the sink and just kind of left it while I edited my videos this morning. But hey, that's what a clean with me video is. So I am going to go in with the Power Wash Dawn, which smells so amazing. It's like apple. And just get these dishes done and out of the way. And if you guys are doing dishes with me, make sure you take a little video or a clip and tag me over on Instagram. I can't wait to see what you guys accomplish, so make sure you take before and after pictures. So I absolutely love these teas, and it was really sad that I had to dump them out just because they were expired. The sad part is they're only good for 7 days after you open them, or so the box says. So I dumped them out with a tear in my eye and just gave my sink a really good wipe down with a multi-surface spray as well as my countertop, because when I do go ahead and declutter later, I will be placing food and other products on the countertops. So I wanted to give it a really good wipe down before I went ahead and did that. Now, I'm not sure what it is with my stove, but as you guys saw in the before pictures, it is always covered in dust and hair, and I have no idea how to make it not be that way. I went ahead and cleaned it with a degreaser, I wiped it down, and even when I was done, it was still covered in dust and hair. I'm just at my wit's end with this stove. Like, I really just don't know what else to do other than to just clean it daily like I've been doing. Like, you can't really see it except in the sun, but it drives me insane. What is one thing in your house that drives you guys insane that you can clean repeatedly and it just is never clean? Let me know down in the comments below. So if you guys watched my last video, you guys have seen my shopping haul from Amazon, HomeGoods, as well as Grove. But I got a ton of cute things for my kitchen, which include these cat sponges, oven mitts, and these really cute Easter cloths. Now, I did go ahead and decorate my kitchen in this video. It is not St. Patrick's theme, unfortunately. am having the hardest time finding anything St. Patrick's Day that is not absolutely cheap, and I just really don't want to waste my money on it. So I am just going to be decorating my kitchen in like this cute theme with cats in just pink. Obviously my whole kitchen is pink. So I am putting these on the stove, and I do go ahead and hang up my oven mitts. I don't know if they're going to be practical for real life use, but they are super adorable. And I also put out my new sponges, which I'm super excited for as well.
That maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. You're undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he
onto the refrigerator, I am taking everything off the first couple shelves. The drawers don't really need to be decluttered, just the shelves. So I do take everything off, go in and wipe everything down again with that multi-surface cleaner. And don't forget, all the cleaning products that I use are listed down in the description box below, and you can get them all from the Growth Collaborative, and if anything is not there, it probably would be listed under Amazon. But anyways, I am just going ahead and just taking everything out, cleaning them shelf by shelf, and just getting this fridge decluttered because it was a complete disaster inside. So many things needed to get thrown out, so many wine bottles needed to get dumped, which was also very sad. But I look forward to opening a new bottle of wine now that the old ones are out and just having some space in my fridge for more groceries. If you guys are interested in seeing a food haul, let me know down in the comments below. I know my food hauls don't get as many views as my Clean With Me videos, so let me know what you think down in the comments below if you guys want to see one of those food hauls.
Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. With his humble act and everlasting ego.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Undressed when it's cold.
While I go through the fridge and just clean it up, I am going to be putting some new groceries in there. As some of you guys know, I do have a pantry that is also in my office. It is usually for like non-perishables, but there was some juice boxes and snacks and applesauces that I could put in the refrigerator and just get that all taken care of and organized neatly.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
So one of the saddest things I had to do today was dump out half full bottles of wine because they have been in the they have been in the refrigerator for so long. I don't even know how long, to be honest. So I just figured it was time to dump them out because they were not being drank, and it's time to open up a fresh bottle of wine and just kind of enjoy the night if I ever get to that point in my life. But anyway, I did dump them out, rinse out the bottles, and I did put them in the recycling. So if this is really sad for you as well as it is me, let me know down in the comments below, because I know mom life equals wine life, which also is how us moms survive.
Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Like I mentioned, I am cleaning out the pantry as well that is in the kitchen. These cupboards, especially the top one, has so much space and there's no shelves. So I might go out at some point within the next couple weeks and buy a few shelves for it. I know I need my step stool if I'm gonna be trying to reach any of the higher shelves, but we will tackle that when it comes to that. But as for right now, I am just gonna try to organize it and put everything back in neatly and I will be putting some pastas and panko crumbs and stuff in some containers that I got. I will leave the containers down in the description box below in case you guys are interested. They do come with labels and a chalkboard pen, which is so helpful and cool. So I just want to get this whole thing organized, and a little bit later on, maybe next month, I will probably do another organize with me when I start adding more of these containers in here and get some shelving units, just because I'm trying to really figure out how I want to set up these pantries. There's really not a lot of space in them when it comes to like shelving, so I definitely want to get some shelves. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, because I could really use some inspiration.
The other side, would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I've waited all these years for you right here, but how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
These containers are so convenient, they stack, and the labels with the chalkboard pen is so just easy to use. And the only reason I'm only labeling the panko crumbs for today's video is just because obviously pasta is explanatory, and I didn't want to label too many of the containers on products that I was running out of. That way I didn't have to like take the label off or try to erase it, because I didn't really want to make a commitment to some of these containers, as I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing with them, or where I'm going to be putting them, or what I'm going to be putting in them. So there's that, but I did put my stuffed shells, my panko crumbs, as well as penne pasta in 3 of these containers, just to kind of test out what I can get to fit in this cupboard, how high they were, and how high my shelves need to be if I go that route.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep
Finally, we're moving onto the floor. This floor was a complete disaster. As you can see, there were literally crumbs everywhere from me cleaning and just throwing things on the floor, because it's honestly how I clean. When I usually declutter, there's usually like cardboard boxes, bags, especially when I put food away. It was a mess. So I went in and I swept it all up with my broom, and then I went in with my amazing steam mop, which I could not recommend enough. It gets the floor so clean. I do wish I could use product with it. I'm pretty sure I can spray the floor with a product as long as it doesn't go through the water cycle inside of it. So I'm gonna try using some Fabuloso next time I clean my floors. So stick around and make sure you subscribe so you can get an update on whether or not that is successful, because I will be putting it in like a spray bottle instead of just putting it right into the steam mop.
the only reason I keep sneaking out at night. Keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love.
that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another complete disaster kitchen clean with me and declutter. I have gone through this kitchen hundreds of times and I'm still trying to find new ways to declutter and just things that make it more accessible for me in my living, like buying new shelves and just decluttering. So I'm sure there'll be tons more decluttering as I get more things in the mail and just find new ways of decluttering. I don't know how many times I can say decluttering. But anyways, make sure you smash that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any more of my future content. I have tons of ideas coming your way from cooking, cleaning, the whole 9 yards. You guys are just going to absolutely love some of these upcoming videos. But anyways, I see you guys all on my next video, which will be on Wednesday. Love you. Bye.